CLASSVR Search Subscriptions. Search Subscriptions allows you to search for media uploaded by CLASSVR. This is organized in themes, which are a collection of different objects, playlists, and also individual tracks. A drop-down allows you to select the different types of media that you want to use. For example, if you only want to show students videos, you can click on video and then type in a word. This will then only show you the videos to do with that keyword. 3D models can be used with the CLASSVR Cube. Audio tracks allow students to experience audio in 360. Pictures are 360 images. Scenes allow students to explore different scenes within the headset. Please note that these scenes often require a lot of bandwidth and might not be suitable for using with a large group of students. Once you've decided what you would like to use, you can go through the different options. If you want to use individual tracks, you can just left click and drag and drop these objects across to your playlist. If you want to explore a theme, you'll need to click and then have a look at the playlist within this theme. If you want to use a playlist, you can click on the playlist, which will give you extra information. Drag individual items across or take the whole playlist. You might decide that you do not want to use all the items from the playlist. If that is the case, left click on the 6 dots and drag the object out of your playlist.